Your girl is. Y'all, I left work late today. Now I'm at Chick-fil-A. Y'all, y'all see how my mouth is fixed? Y'all, I look swollen like how when I got my wisdom teeth pulled. And I don't know, like, now I want to call back and see if I got all four of my wisdoms pulled, because it's either here or here. It's like, y'all see how my mouth is fixed? I have a pretty smile. Yeah, I can't even be able to smile. Like, it's like I can smile over here, but over here, oh my gosh, I don't know where it's at. Like, but it's hurting. I'm talking to people on the phone, and I'm like, how it sound? And y'all, when I'm like really, really like feeling like this, like I get like a baby, a real live baby. So y'all, I coming from work, I stopped by Hobby Lobby and got some stuff from there for my kids' project or whatever. So hopefully they be able to present tomorrow good, represent our class really good, or just represent our grade level in my class really well. Y'all, like, I'm kind of excited for this week to be over. Reason being is because it's almost break time, y'all. Closer to the holidays. Christmas is my favorite holiday. It's one of my most favorite holidays. I love giving. I love being around family, being around my loved ones. Like, I just really enjoy it. It's just like a happy and peaceful time. Y'all, I have been binge watching Christmas movies. Y'all, I don't like the way how I look right now, so I'm gonna put my mask on. I don't like the way how I sound or look with my mouth, so let me get my food. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm gonna just. Mm-hmm. All right. Thank you. Can I get Polynesian sauce? Polynesian? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, alright. Y'all, my mirror, y'all. It was hitting the what's that thing, the little board where they put the food on when you pick it up. Y'all, Chick-fil-A ain't never disappoint. I think I'm about to park in the parking lot because I want to eat my nuggets, and I'm gonna talk to y'all. Y'all, I'm long way from home. I am far out. Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. Y'all, I'm talking to y'all and I'm about to die. Let me hold my food. So y'all, I ain't trying to die out here. But yeah, so I said I stopped by Hobby Lobby. I was on the phone, and basically I was coming out of Hobby Lobby, and I'm like, I got a discount because I'm showing like a housing model. The kids, like, they're learning about real estate, and they was doing rates and stuff. So I had bought some little housing models for them to like showcase and present when people walk past their table. And so y'all, it was expensive. Like, they were expensive. And the little models, the little house models at Hobby Lobby. But the girl, when I went to the counter, she gave me a discount, y'all. Oh, they gave me light ice. So bro, I hope I don't go back into a mood where I gotta eat soft foods. I don't know what's going on, but so yeah, y'all, like, it was like, it came up to like 36, and I got it for 20. So that was a good price because I was like, oh, it's a little expensive, ain't it? I didn't want to spend that much. But I'm glad, like, she gave me her discount. So when I was on the phone, the person was like, your favorite. You know what I mean? I'm like, yes. I'm Blessed and Holly. And it was like, Blessed and Holly favorite. I'm like, yes. Blessed and Holly favorite. So, yeah. I ain't gonna do that in front of y'all. I ain't gonna do that in front of y'all. Y'all, one of my friends be like, I mean, like, don't litter out the window. Even though I be littering. But, I want to get better and, like, not littering on the earth. You don't want to do real good. Like, do good. It seems like I can eat on my left, but not my right. So, yeah. So, yeah. That was a blessing. Y'all, Chick-fil-A always hit. Y'all can never say Chick-fil-A don't hit. I have never been to a Chick-fil-A where they mess up your order or even leave stuff out. Like, maybe because I didn't even say the sauce. I don't know. I probably did say the sauce. But when it comes down to, like, the food being inside your bag, everything is always in the bag. Hands down. So I appreciate them for that and their customer service. I wish all restaurants can be like that because these restaurants will have better service, better food. So I'm holding side of my face because it hurt. Y'all ever heard of Joella's Hot Chicken? I know I heard of it's another hot chicken place on Moreland. Is that Moreland? Yeah, East Atlanta. I'm just say East Atlanta. So these nuggets hit. Y'all, if y'all never had the grilled nuggets at Chick-fil-A, start getting them. They way better than a fried. Y'all, they fried nuggets is really salty. So I can't even eat them anymore. So I appreciate these grilled nuggets. No, I'm chewing on my right. Hope I don't mess up anything. So what's new, y'all? Oh my gosh. Did I just drop my chicken nugget? Thank God my pants saved me because I want all my food. So what's new with me? Nothing. Pretty much nothing. I'm just talking, y'all. Pretty much nothing is new with me, y'all, but so in my therapy session last week, I learned to like sit in your accomplishment. Stop like hold on. Basically, like, enjoy life. Like, don't make everything a go, or not don't make everything a go, but once you're done completing or reaching your goal, sit in it and, like, don't, like, start something new right away, like, because you're going to get overwhelmed. So, pat yourself on that back for the accomplishment that you have for the goal that you did reach, and sit in it and enjoy it. So, for example, girl got her master's. So, like, instead of me trying to, like, hurry up and jump into something and make it another goal or another task, like, sit in the accomplishment that I do have and enjoy that moment, and then, like, breathe for a second before you overwhelm yourself with other tasks. So, y'all, I'm gonna sit in my accomplishment, and yeah. That ain't hit. Okay, so let me ask y'all. When y'all eat Chick-fil-A, do you eat all your fries first? Or do you eat all your nuggets first? Or do you do both? Because what I notice when I get grilled nuggets and fries, I eat my nuggets first. And then I go and eat my fries last. It's a little hard. I say I just did it. But which one do y'all do? Y'all can't say that Polynesian don't hit. It's something about the dang lemonade. Y'all ever had Arnold Palmer from them? Baby, it's so good. So, I'm trying to get this open. I'm trying to get this open. Okay. Got it open, y'all. So, y'all, I've been sick. Now my tooth, whatever hurting me. I went to the next last week, and crazy thing is they asked me, do anything hurt? But wasn't nothing hurting. Wasn't nothing hurting. It was like, I felt like I got nervous when I got there. So, like, but it's something now. So, I go back next week. Anyway, so, hey. Y'all, Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. Y'all, I want to air fryer for Christmas. I want a little one. I want a very little one. So that's what I've been telling people. What if I get like 3? Cause I've been telling people. That's what I want. I know y'all like, this girl is eating in my face. I'm hungry. Go get you some food too. Y'all, tell me why. This is one of my kids was saying. They were like, Miss Langford. I'm like, yes. I'm like, I don't want to hear the question if it does not pertain to our content. So during our like lunch hour, they get to talk to me, talk to their peers. That's probably pretty much their downtime. So it was like, y'all, the conversations they be having, it's gonna be killing me. It was like, Miss Langford, would you rather get set on fire or would you rather get hit by a truck? You have to choose. I'm like, Lord Jesus, neither. So, I'm like, dang, which one would I rather do? if I had to choose. I was like, get hit by a truck. But dang, do I really want to get hit by a truck? Do I really want to get set on fire? I'm like, I don't know. They didn't be specific as to like where you get set on fire, but nobody want to be set on fire. So y'all, which one would you rather choose? I said hit by a truck, but I'd rather not do neither. Both of them worse. The absolute worst. You know, went around like, would you have a pet frog or pet snake? I don't like pet snake. I don't want no frog. I forgot what frogs have. But I think they ain't leave warts on you or something like that. Something like that. Don't quote me on it. I don't really know, but I'd rather have it than a snake. And they pet snake on me in a garage. In a cage, locked, hidden. Real tight. I check up on them. We need it. So, pretty much that's the everyday thing if you got a pet. Pets are like having a baby, so if you ready, I feel like this. When you're a significant other, or if you and a significant other, what's happening to me? I feel like there's so much going on with me right now. So, but yeah, I said, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hope y'all can hear me. If you and your significant other are planning a baby, then you guys can like try to get a pet before you do that. Why I say that is because it's like having a baby before you even have one, especially a dog. Y'all, I didn't find out or learn about dogs having birth certificates, shot, take medicine, all that, to like a couple years ago. And when I mean a couple years ago, probably like a good about a good 5 years ago I found it out. I was like, dang. It's gonna show you I do not like pets. Or I don't bother them. Yeah, I used to be so petrified, terrified of dogs. I remember my dad had this like blue pit chase me up the steps. I was so dang scared, y'all. Scared out of my living mind. I ran up them steps so quick, that dog chased me. I don't want to play with you. I ain't learned it till afterwards. They think you're playing with them when you're running. Learned my lesson. Didn't bite me, but I was just so scared. My brother and dad was like, he ain't gonna do nothing. No, that's a big pit. A blue pit. It was like a grayish blue pit with blue and gray eyes, y'all. Could you not? In the dark, his eyes would be like gray or blue. So, So, my mama was like, we're gonna send my brother a package, like a big package. Cause he don't live down here no more, y'all. So, send him a package. She was like, let's get Ma the book bag. I'm like, Mom, this is a grown man. Give him a book bag. She was like, yes, he need a book bag. So, my brother is going back to school. I'm proud of him. Like, a lot of stuff, like, I'm really proud of him. Like, after all he endured. But he going back to school. Get your degree, baby. Be out here like your sis. Degrees over here. Nah, but yes. Not nah, but yes. Proud of him. It's exciting. It's a new chapter for me and you, bro. So I am going to send him my package. I don't know. I think I may give him my old computer, y'all. I don't know. Or may get him a new one. I don't know. Y'all, I just like doing stuff for people. I like giving gifts. Like, I'm a heavy giver. Like, when I mean heavy, like, I'm big on gifts. Oh yeah, let me go this way because I gotta go pick something up. I almost forgot I gotta go pick something up, but I'm a heavy giver, y'all. Like, I really love, like, buying stuff for people or getting them something that they actually really want. Cause, like, I don't know, like, it's just me. Like, I have a big heart. So anything that I have really ever given, like, I've never really, you know, been like, freak, oh my gosh, I just spent all my money. Unless I just be like, dang, I ain't got it like that. But if I don't really have it like that, I wouldn't get it. I would get something close to that. But, or something else on their list that they want. But, y'all, I really just like giving. I like to see the expression on people's face when they get their gifts. Like, I really like, I don't know, it makes me feel good on the inside. No matter the cost, when I got it, I got it. That's me. When I got it, I'm a splurge. So, that's the type of girl I am. And plus, 10 times fold with the blessings of God being by your side and you praying, and if you're doing worthy things, you're going to be blessed 10 times more. So, that's just what I believe in. I don't know about everybody else, but I just know, like, God gonna bless me, you know what I'm saying? So, even if I give to you, you know, now don't get it twisted. If you don't have it, don't be spending it like you got it, because a lot of times we go out here and be spending like we got it. But if you don't have that, then don't spend that. But me personally, I do be having it, so I do, you know, just give, because I like doing it. Like, I like to really see, like, people happy, and, you know, even if I don't get the same in return, you know what I'm saying? Like, even if I don't get the same in return, like, I'm just appreciative that I can be able to give to other people. You know, I'm fortunate enough and have been blessed to say that, you know, I can do those things. So, nonetheless, I said I was gonna see what I'm gonna get him this year, so I may be either getting him that computer or just, I don't know. For myself, I said I wanted an air fryer. I really don't want nothing else for Christmas, but I'm really home on this air fryer, y'all. I want to start cooking more. So I have learned some new dishes. Y'all, my mouth looks crazy. I hate that I'm talking like this, but put my mask back on. I learned, I've been looking at cooking shows lately, so it's a lot of stuff I've been looking at. I'm gonna make, y'all. Do y'all know how to make, like, breakfast quiche? Ooh, tastes so good. Y'all know how to make breakfast quiche? Like, it's like with I think it's with zucchini, spinach, all of that with eggs. Y'all, why? Y'all ever met somebody that don't like eggs? That's crazy, y'all. Like, I'm like, you don't like eggs. But yeah. So, I am going to make breakfast quiche. Try that. What else I wanted to make? Y'all, I want to make a peach cobbler. I really wanted to do it for Thanksgiving, but I think I'm gonna make a peach cobbler, y'all. I wanna make that. It's like a dessert. What else? I don't really know, y'all, what else I wanna make. Those two things I do know I wanna make. And yeah, so that's probably about it. But y'all, this video getting long. Your girl is on her way to stop at my second stop and headed home. I hope y'all had a great Monday. Y'all know Mondays really are long. They really are really long, depending on how you come in. So tomorrow, I'm just ready for this week to be over with, so I can basically get myself prepared for the new year, baby. So I'm excited for that, y'all. But just not even prepared for the new year, but just like trying to get this body snatched, baby. So get back in the routine of working out. So yeah, that's it for me, y'all. I am signing out. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in with Ashley L. It's Ashley L. all day, every day. So I want to start like leaving off with quotes. I don't know a specific quote, right? Look at me. I said I want to leave off with a quote and don't even have a quote, but maybe a message. Y'all. So November was more so, self-care. And I'm going to say December too. Y'all, find what makes you complete. Do what makes you happy. Build in those self-care routines that, you may feel like you haven't done for yourself lately. And just, y'all have fun. Like, the goal in life is to do everything that you love to do and accomplish all the goals that you set for yourself. So we doing it and you having fun. So, truly enough, everything that you truly want will soon to come. Y'all, I just want to say bye and I love y'all.